Hey, if you are wondering what is the maximum zoom on the Xiaomi 17T Pro, take a look. We can zoom in from 0.6 up to 120 times. If we are gonna search for 50 megapixel mode and try to zoom in also, then we can only zoom in up to 5 times. And if you think about the video mode, well, in the normal video mode, when you got the full HD, we can zoom in up to 15 times. If we go for a 30 frames per second, still only 15. If we go for a 4K and the 15, in the 30 frames per second, that's the 15, and the 60 still. In the 120, we can zoom in up to 6 times. And in the 8K, we cannot even zoom at all. Or, no, that was actually my bad, we can. Yeah, we can also to the 6 times. So this is the maximum zoom ranges and the photo and the video mode on this phone.